you've dropped the key on the ground. So I've already just programmed the remote. So the remote is basically just shut the door, turn the ignition on and off 8 times. So just try that in there. It's locked, unlocked. Try the remote. Locked, unlocked. And what we'll do is we'll just, instead of running the battery charger when it's on, just turn that off. And try it in the ignition. So car's running. And we'll try the other key as well. So also it's good to make sure that the theft light is actually flashing before you do that. So just flash now, and basically if the transponder was a little bit average, it allows you to start the car for a second after that. So just by giving it a little bit of time, then we know that it's actually reading the new transponder, and that way you're not thinking that the other key is okay, you're actually confirming that it is programmed in. Alright, so all keys lost. This is an 04 Escape, Ford Escape. This is the American version one. You can tell by the ignition and the key blank. So it's not the Mazda Tribute Maz 24. Alright, thanks for watching.